Hello everyone, Kase Ford here, welding instructor at Jacksonville Tulsa Welding School. And today we're going to be doing a unique process. You know, it's not really all that common out in the field, but just in case you do come across it, you kind of have a heads up. So we have here what's an overhead T-plate, very common, structural wise. So if you're ever on the job welding with hardwire, you know what to do. So a lot of your structural welds are going to be with flux core, but today I'm going to show you how to do it with hardwire. All right. So it's a simple process. We got our volts cranked up to 20 and our wire speed at 250. All right, we're going to be using what's called wire manipulation on this T-joint. All right, we're going to be making little circles going all the way across, just like this. All right, want to take our time, make sure our bead is filling out nice and even, and that we don't get no undercut, and that we got 100% penetration. So if you guys are ready, let's jump into it. All right. Trying to get comfortable here. Always about getting comfortable. Here we go. All right. I think that came out pretty good. I'm going to take our wire wheel here, give it a nice clean. Now, as is common with hardwire, you're always going to have some amount of spatter, and that's common. All right, now we're going to drop down and cover up that middle toe there. Get that 50%, more like a 60-70% coverage. Then we're going to tie into that top side, but first we got to hit this bottom side. Here we go. All right. Got a little squiggly on that, but luckily we're going to cover that up with the next passes. All right, now for that top weld. All right. So now, I'm going to drop back down and put down our final, or one of our final bead caps, or cap beads. So now, we're going to drop back down and put in our fourth bead. Now for number 5, right there in the middle. All right, looking a little hot, getting hot. Now for our final bead. All right, everybody, there you have it. Overhead with Hardwire. A little droopy down here at the start, but it still gets you the job all day. All right, thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something today. And if you want to stay up to date and get tips and tricks to become a better welder, then subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to learn even more right now, click on our video. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.